Hey everyone, welcome back to Supercar. I love bringing you guys the latest and greatest in the automotive world, but sometimes it's fun to check out a car that's a little different. Today we're talking about the 2024 Dacia Duster. Now, you might not be familiar with Dacia, but trust me, this SUV is making waves. It's affordable, it's tough, and it's got a certain rugged charm that's hard to resist. But let's get down to brass tacks. The big question is, are the maintenance costs on this thing as low as the price tag suggests? That's what we're going to find out today. Stick around to the end because I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Alright, let's talk about the Duster. This isn't some luxury SUV with a bunch of fancy features you'll never use. It's a no-nonsense off-roader that's built to last. But don't think for a second that it's boring to look at. Dacia really stepped up their game for 2024. They gave the Duster this bold new design with those cool Y-shaped LED lights. Plus, you've got skid plates, rugged black trim, which is actually made from this eco-friendly Starkle material and absolutely no flashy chrome. It's all about function over flash, and honestly, it looks fantastic. But here's the kicker. Even with all these updates, the Duster is still one of the most affordable SUVs in its class. That's right, folks, you get style and substance without breaking the bank. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty maintenance costs. Now keep in mind that the exact prices will vary depending on where you live, but I can give you a general idea of what to expect. First off, parts for the Duster are surprisingly affordable. Dacia keeps things simple and uses widely available components, which means you're not paying an arm and a leg for repairs. And because the Duster isn't bogged down with tons of overly complex tech, you don't have to worry about those systems costing a fortune to fix if something goes wrong. Another thing that keeps costs down is the fuel options. You've got the LPG and hybrid variants, both of which can significantly reduce your fuel bills over time. And here's a bonus for all you DIYers out there. Basic servicing like oil changes or brake pad replacements are totally manageable at home. The Duster is a pretty straightforward vehicle to work on. The bottom line is, if you're someone who believes in regular maintenance, the Duster is going to reward you with rock-solid reliability and super cheap running costs. Now let's talk engines. The 2024 Duster comes with a few different powertrain options, each with its own focus on efficiency and, of course, keeping those running costs low. First up, you've got the Hybrid 140. This one pairs a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor to give you that extra boost. And get this, in city driving you can actually cruise around on electric power alone for up to 80% of the time. That's huge for saving fuel and reducing your carbon footprint. Then there's the TCE 130 mild hybrid. This one's all about maximizing efficiency without adding too much complexity. It's a great option if you want a little electric boost without going full hybrid. And for those of you who really want to save at the pump, there's the EcoG 100 LPG version. This one lets you switch between gasoline and LPG, which is significantly cheaper and cleaner burning. What's great about all these engine options is that they're built with longevity in mind. Dacia designed them to be simple, reliable, and easy to maintain, which ultimately translates to lower ownership costs for you. Okay, we know the Duster is affordable, but what about its off-road chops? I mean, can it handle some rough terrain? Well, with up to 8.5 inches of ground clearance, hill descent control, and different terrain management modes, this thing is ready to tackle whatever you throw at it. But here's the thing about off-roading. It usually means more wear and tear, right? Well, Dacia thought of that too. They gave the Duster this super durable, scratch-resistant body cladding. And the interior? It's designed to take a beating too. Think rubber floor mats and tough, easy-to-clean fabric seats. That means you spend less time and money worrying about spills, mud, or anything else life throws your way. So even if you're constantly putting the Duster through its paces off-road, the maintenance costs don't suddenly skyrocket like they might with some fancy high-end SUVs. Now let's talk about some of the Duster's cost-saving features. And I'm not talking about some cheap, flimsy shortcuts. These are smart design choices that make a real difference in the long run. For example, you won't find any real leather in the Duster. That might sound like a downgrade, but think about it. No leather means no cracking, no expensive repairs, no worries. And remember how I mentioned there's no excessive chrome? Well, that's not just a stylistic choice. Less chrome means you don't have to waste time and money polishing it, or even worse, replacing it if it gets damaged. The Duster also keeps the electronics relatively simple. Why? Because fewer electronics mean fewer things that can go wrong, which means fewer trips to the mechanic and lower repair bills. Dacia even thought about the paint job. They use less of it in areas that are prone to scratches, which means you don't have to stress about every little ding and scratch. Every single detail, from the materials to the design, is carefully considered to minimize those pesky ownership costs without sacrificing the quality and functionality you need. So, we've established that the Duster is practical and affordable, but what if you want to add some extra functionality? Well, Dacia offers a few optional extras that won't break the bank. Need to haul some gear? No problem. The optional roof rack can handle up to 176 pounds of cargo. It's perfect for adventurers, campers, or anyone who needs a little extra space. And speaking of adventurers, the Duster even has an optional sleep pack. What's that, you ask? Well, it's a clever system that lets you convert the back of the Duster into a bed in just 2 minutes. Talk about a game changer for road trips or weekend getaways. The great thing about these add-ons is that they're designed to be affordable and easy to install. You're not dealing with complicated modifications or expensive aftermarket parts. Dacia keeps it simple, practical, and budget-friendly. Okay, so we've talked about maintenance costs, durability, all that good stuff. But what about long-term reliability? Well, Dacia has a pretty solid track record, especially with the Duster. Since it was first introduced back in 2010, they've sold over 2.2 million of these things worldwide. And you know what? Owners consistently report that the Duster is a reliable and dependable vehicle, especially if you follow the recommended maintenance schedule. And because the Duster is designed with simplicity in mind, regular servicing is a breeze. Plus, spare parts are readily available and super affordable whether you live in Europe, Latin America, or anywhere else the Duster is sold. So, you can rest assured that you're not going to be hit with any unexpected surprises down the road. So, here's the million-dollar question. Is the 2024 Dacia Duster worth it? If you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and incredibly capable SUV that doesn't come with the hefty price tag of a luxury brand, then the answer is a resounding yes. Dacia has really hit the nail on the head with this one. They've taken everything that made the original Duster great, its simplicity, its affordability, its go-anywhere attitude, and they've made it even better. From the fuel-efficient engine options to the durable materials and the clever cost-saving features, the Duster is designed to keep your maintenance costs low and predictable. But now I want to hear from you guys. Would you consider buying a Duster over a more premium SUV if it meant saving money on maintenance and repairs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for our deep dive into the 2024 Dacia Duster. If you're looking for a no-nonsense SUV that won't break the bank on the lot or at the mechanic, the Duster deserves a serious look. It just goes to show that you don't need to spend a fortune to get behind the wheel of a capable and stylish ride. As always, thanks for watching Supercar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews and comparisons. Until next time, drive safe and make smart choices.